Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by isolating the problem and preparing safe hardware. First, plug the device into a known good powered USB port on the host. If you see no response, swap to a different cable and a different port immediately. This rules out simple cable or port faults. Next, sign into an administrator account on the computer so you can run diagnostics and device manager tools. Once done, keep the original device connected while you move to software checks. Now focus on the driver layer where most USB errors hide. Open Device Manager and look for devices with a yellow warning or unknown device entry. Note the error code. Right-click and uninstall the device and any USB root hub entries, then choose Scan for hardware changes to force re-enumeration. If the issue persists, download the exact driver from the device maker or use Windows Update to fetch a signed driver. Make sure to reboot after reinstalling drivers so the system applies changes. Complete the process by removing power management interference and validating hardware. Open power settings and disable USB selective, suspend plus uncheck power save on each USB hub in Device Manager so devices stay powered. If a firmware update exists for the peripheral, apply it from a trusted source. If the device supports a factory reset, perform it next. Once done, test on another computer to confirm. If failures continue, use low-level flashing or diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.